A very warm welcome to one and all. My name is Abigail D'Souza and I'm a curriculum specialist here at JoVE. Let's look at what JoVE stands for. The acronym JoVE stands for the Journal of Visualized Experiments. What we do is we provide video resources for education as well as research methods. Our scientific videos have helped make teaching, learning, and practicing science more efficient, engaging, and effective. In today's session, what I will cover up is give you a brief overview of JoVE, the various resources, and help you navigate through the JoVE platform itself, showcase various collections, and also showcase on how it has enhanced student engagement. And lastly, at how you can use these videos or utilize our videos to facilitate your own courses by inserting our videos within your learning management system, such as Blackboard. So what is JoVE? JoVE is, in fact, the world's leading producer and provider of STEM videos. We have around 18,000 plus videos in our library with 1,200 videos published every year, which is why I like to say it's a growing library with 1,000 plus videos that are 1,000 plus subscribers across the globe. Our videos are accessible 24/7 and they're available in 14 different languages in terms of voiceovers and closed captions. So JoVE videos help visualize science, and this in turn helps to improve students' learning outcomes. So having a video at hand has helped, in fact, visualize various science experiments. And in fact, you will see and notice how it has enhanced student learning outcomes. For now, what problems do JoVE solve? In terms of research, it has reduced the cost as well as the time to learn various research protocols. It has increased productivity. Having a video at hand has helped increase productivity. It's also reduced the funding cost that is spent in for various training and learning methods. Also, if there is a staff turnover, there's no loss of knowledge given that JoVE videos remain in your repository. When it comes to education, it has enhanced student engagement. It has helped students comprehend and understand complex experiments. It has, in fact, also retained various students in taking over STEM majors. Has increased various test scores and also helped faculty in terms of preparing course materials. It has reduced the time taken to do so. JoVE videos have had huge impact. Just a case study to showcase here from UCLA. Pre-video test score was around 28.9%. And after having watched a JoVE video, it shot up to 89.5%. So here you see a significant improvement in the students' test score and how it has impacted students' learning and test performance. How to get started before I take you through the platform. First way is you just log on to jove.com. Just type in www.jove.com on any browser and it will redirect you to app.jove.com. Once you're here, this is what the homepage looks like. At the top right-hand corner, you will see a sign-in option. You will click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it will redirect you to this particular page. If you have an account already created, simply enter your institutional email and the password and simply click on sign in. If you do not have an account created, you click on create an account and enter your institutional email address. Kindly note, please enter your institutional email address only and no personal email addresses, and simply click on create account. Yay, we are done. And all we have to do is wait for a verification email that will be seen in your institutional email inbox. While we wait, if it's not in the inbox, kindly check your spam folders as well sometimes, or give it 5 minutes until it reaches. Once it is reached, what you will see is maybe a plain link or a confirm email address kind of a button. You simply click on that link or this button and confirm your email address. It will redirect you to the a small form where you'll have to enter your first name, last name, password, which will contain 8 characters minimum, uppercase, lowercase, numerical, and a special character. Kindly note to enter your institution name in full, and then it will pop up in the drop down. Also, please note to select the role as if you're a professor, instructor, teaching assistant, kindly select the role as a professor or instructor. If you're a librarian, likewise, student, likewise, and researcher. Uh, Enter the job title and click on create an account. And you're good to go. This is a JoVE platform, and you will see your name at the top right hand corner. This allows you to browse through videos even while you are, if your library subscribes to, even off on campus as well as off campus. And yes, once you're logged into the JoVE platform, all you have to do is, one way to browse to the platform is simply by entering a keyword. But to let you know, the platform is broadly categorized into 2 different categories. That's the research and the education. Within research, we have the JoVE Journal and the JoVE Encyclopedia of Experiments. While within education, we have 4 different collections as well. But before I go to this collections, let me just type in a keyword. Let me just type in PCR, given it was the most commonly used during the COVID times. It gives you a list of all research related videos as well as education. This is one way to browse to the platform. But if you'd like to go through a particular research journal, so the JoVE research, like I said, is broadly categorized into 2 different categories, wherein JoVE journal comprises of these 13 different STEM disciplines. It's in fact the world's first peer-reviewed video scientific journal, and it's indexed in PubMed, Web of Science, SciFinder, Scopus, and SciExpanded. You have the list of most recent articles and the most popular ones. It's like any other journal article, but accompanying each of our journal articles is a video, wherein the author is explaining what research they're conducting, followed by the actual demonstration in the lab. So we have a collection, even genetics being one of them. There are advanced search options such as publication date, author, institution. Once you click on the particular video, you have a video, you have the DOI, authors, affiliated universities, related videos, add to playlist, add to favorites, embed option. Now, if you would like to look at the article itself, you click on the hyperlink here, which will redirect you to another page, and it showcases article. You'll simply click on article, and this here is your article page. One can navigate within the article page. So once you're on the article page, you can navigate within the article page here. You can download a PDF, download material list, copy citation, as well as download citation. So that's a bit on the research journal. Coming to the JoVE Encyclopedia of Experiments, this encompasses comprises of various methodologies and various techniques, comprising of biology, cancer research, immunology, and biological techniques. Biology covering our various lab animal models, cancer research, various types of cancers, biological techniques covering our various assay techniques, PCR techniques, electrophoresis, microscopy, spectroscopy techniques, as well as the immunology collection. Just to show you what this looks like, if you just go to chromatography techniques, each of these videos come with a concept-based video covering up a concept behind this, just covering up the key terms and concepts in this particular topic or technique, followed by the actual demonstration under this tab under experiment. So that's a bit on the research. Coming to education, education is broadly categorized into 4 different categories: at JoVE Course, Science Education, Lab Manual, and the JoVE Book. One can also browse to the various subject areas here. And within each of these subject areas, you will have JoVE Core videos, Science Lab, as well as the Science Education videos. Let's look at JoVE Core and how these are different. These are different in terms of the content they deliver, as well as the audience it caters to. JoVE Core, these are more of introductory videos covering our various key terms and concepts, very short videos, catering to the needs of first year undergraduate level students, or more like a refresher course. So if one just they have around 12 different collections over here, or with pharmacology being one of our newest collections. But if we just delve into biology, like we said, we call it a video textbook. And within each chapter, we have several chapters here, and within each chapter, there are videos. For example, cell structure and functions. You have several videos just covering key terms and concepts. And also the scientist in action tab covering up the actual application of these key terms and concepts in a lab. Let's take a look at this. What are cells? So you have a video, you have a little bit of text reading. Um, the features remain standard throughout our education videos, like the embed video feature. Sharing embed is inserting into Blackboard, sharing on social media, adding to favorites, and adding to playlists. You can simply create your own playlist by clicking on adding to playlist, create a new playlist, and simply add this particular thing to a playlist. Check mark. Some of the other features is the speed regulation feature and also closed captions available in 14 different languages.
And eukaryotic. Prokaryotes are.
You also have the languages. So everything that's hyperlinked over here or in bold, the page can be translated into that particular language, including the transcript. So this is the gist of the JoVE core. We have subjects ranging from biology, nursing, anatomy, mechanical engineering, and we'll be having and molecular biology, cell biology as well. Coming to the second of the JoVE education is the JoVE science education. How is this different from that of JoVE core? One, it caters to upper level students. We have around 8 different collections over here. These videos comprises of animations as well as real-time lab experiments. So engineering, covering our various engineering topics within engineering. So within bioengineering, you have several other videos also put together. And these are fairly longer videos as opposed to JoVE core. Advanced biology, covering up genetics, cell biology, neuroscience, developmental biology. While basic biology also covers up various lab safety as well as general laboratory techniques. So again, here you have the concept, an overview given in terms of an animation followed by the actual demonstration. One can navigate within the video over here, that's within the chapters. You have languages also available here. Add to playlist, embed usage, and the add to favorites. Coming to the third, that's the JoVE lab manual. You have JoVE biology and the JoVE chemistry lab manual currently. How is this different from that of JoVE core and science education? Is that each of these topics come with 3 different videos. For example, you have an instructor preparation video for the instructor with the list of materials and the lab prep. You have the concept, just covering up key terms and concepts. And lastly, you have the student protocol with the actual procedure and the results conclusion given. So these are the 3 major collections. In addition, we do have something known as the Faculty Resource Center in red here, wherein there are various videos mapped to courses and teaching labs, wherein there are various videos from the JoVE repository aligned to various topics, similar to that of videos mapped to your textbook. If I take a look at all textbooks, you basically have the textbooks here. Kindly note these are not the textbooks, but JoVE videos aligned to the chapters within the textbook. So for example, you have the microbiology textbook here. You simply click on one of the chapters, and you already have a ready-to-use playlist related to this particular chapter. So if you're using this particular book, and if you are on chapter 12, you will simply come to chapter 12 and you have your playlist already ready. And you can insert this into your Blackboard course page in one go as well. There are 2 ways of inserting videos into Blackboard. One is inserting one video at a time, and 2 is to insert this entire playlist. Let me showcase both. For example, let me look at one of these videos. So if you go to any video on the JoVE platform, make sure you're logged in, signed in, So if your university is a subscriber to JoVE, once you're logged in, whether you're on campus or whether you're off campus, make sure you're signed in. Click on embed video. That's the first step. So sign in is the first step. Second step, click on embed video. You can adjust the width and height. And the third step is click on copy embed code. Once you click on copy embed code, you go into your Blackboard course page. You have build content. You have item. So you click on build content. Under the drop down, you click on item. You give it either the title of the video, or I'm just going to give it a title as cells, for example, test bio. And here you will see source code. See the symbol source code. You click on that and simply right click and place or Control V. Yes, just once and save. And here you have your video. You can adjust the width and height. You can add text as well below and simply click on submit. The advantage of doing this is students, it is going to feature at the extreme end of the page. The advantage of inserting this video, it means students will be able to access this even while they are off campus within their Blackboard course page without having to create a JoVE account, or even without having to log on to the JoVE page at all. They'll simply come in, click here, open in full
Most
screen.
living organisms cannot directly take up atmospheric.
You also have the closed captions, everything that gets embedded within your Blackboard. Likewise, you can also insert the playlist. Let's go back to this video. All you have to do is go to a chapter of your choice, or if you have created a playlist, it will feature within your name under My Playlist. But all playlists will have this button, Download CC. CC stands for Common Cartridge. It's a type of package which has all the videos that you see here within it. You're downloading it, but it's not downloading the videos. It's just downloading a package which can be inserted into Blackboard and then viewed. So I've downloaded the file. All I have to do is go to Blackboard, close this, go to my course page. Once on the course page, on the left navigation bar, you have packages and utilities. You'll click on import package. So packages and utilities and import package, and simply import the package. Browse through local files. And here under select course material, click on select all and submit. What does this do? It will in fact insert this entire playlist in one go along with the text that comes along with the videos, without you having to manually actually insert them as various pages. They will get inserted automatically into Blackboard as different pages, which you can navigate. You can move as and where you would like it. You can also edit the page. Here, let us just refresh this page. And on the left-hand side, yes, here you go. All you have to do is click on this and you will be able to, it will be at the extreme. This is, so since I clicked on that, the evolution of microorganisms and microbiology, these are all the videos. You can always collapse this. How does it look like? You have the video and you have the text. Everything within JoVE, within your Blackboard course page. You can also navigate, like move this as and where you would like it to be. You can edit the page, you can move it, copy it, make it unavailable, everything within Blackboard. And yes, lastly, to touch upon, I'm going to just quickly take you through is the JoVE quiz. All our education videos also come with quiz banks. So you have education, under the education dropdown, you have the JoVE quiz, wherein you can create your own quiz and also insert into Blackboard. You can simply click on create new quizzes. You can create a quiz from the quiz library, as well as from my playlist, as well as if a playlist is shared with you. Let's say from the quiz library, you can choose a particular topic. You can choose, say, for example, I just choose group genetics of organisms. I simply click on add to my quizzes. Once you click on add to my quizzes, you can even edit this quiz. Once you have added to my quiz, you simply click on my quizzes and it should feature on top here. There are these 3 dots. It tells you how many questions are there. That's 15. Click on these 3 dots. You have the option of sharing the quiz from the JoVE platform. That's distributing the quiz from JoVE to your students and viewing the results within your JoVE account. But alternatively, you can also download an LMS uploadable SCORM file, which I'm going to do. But in addition, you can also edit. If you look at this, you have the option to edit the quiz as well. So you simply click on edit quiz. You can edit the questions, you can edit the answers, you can delete the question, delete the video, everything here. And you can also add your own questions towards the end. So all these questions are editable. Answers are editable. You can delete them. You can delete the videos. And you can also add more questions, like import questions or create a custom question. And if you notice, I download, so you can simply save, keep it as graded, ungraded, everything here, then save quiz. And this can be inserted into Blackboard as well. To insert this into Blackboard, all you have to do is go to your course page. Within build content, in the drop down, you will see content package or SCORM, SCORM. You'll simply click on SCORM and upload the file that was downloaded. And click on submit. It's a zip file. You can allow single attempts, so everything you can adjust, limit the availability when you would like it to be seen, and everything here within the JoVE scores, everything within your Blackboard itself, and simply click on submit. Once you've done this, it initially features towards the end of your page. Simply click on this. And this is it. You have the video. Students can simply watch the video and simply answer the quiz, and they can simply submit. Yes, so that's about it as far as JoVE and the various resources are concerned. Thank you and have a nice day.